I am in a house, I don't know how I got there. I'm standing in the middle of long and winding stairs, and all that I can hear is falling rain. Every step I take on the stairs, be it up or down, takes me to a place where there's nobody else around. I'm thankful for the company of rain. Falling rain, falling rain. All I hear falling near is the rain. Been here before, 10 times or more. I'm hearing that same rain again on roof and pane. Falling rain, I hear. Falling rain, we're here again. Me and the rain. I wake up in a bed and my head is in a spin. Don't know where I am and I don't know where I've been. Is that rain falling I hear again? Am I back at that house with the long and winding stairs, still fast asleep? Or am I really there so long as I feel shelter? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Somewhere I've been or just a dream. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Where maybe a dream, somewhere I've been. I don't care. Always the same. Bad house again. Yeah, you will find me there upon those stairs, without a care, sheltered from rain. Yeah, you will find me there upon those stairs, without a care, sheltered from rain. Yeah, I am in a house, nobody's there, walking up and down the long and winding stairs, thankful for the company of rain.